श्रीरमा सरस्वती श्रीरमा सरस्वती सेविता श्रीललिता त्वां भावये 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 श्रीरमा सरस्वती। तारसदृश नासामणि विराजिता तारसदृश नासामणि विराजितां सम्पत्करी सेवितां 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 तारामन्त्रिण्यादिपरिवृता 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 वीरगुरुविदितां शिवयुधां श्रीरमा सरस्वती तारामन्त्रिण्यादिपरिवृतां वीरगुरुविदितां शिवयुधां श्रीरमा सरस्वती सेवितां श्रीललितां त्वां भावये श्रीरमा सरस्वती तारसदृश नासामणि विराजिता रमा सरस्वती
This print of Saraswati from the Ravivarma press and derived from a painting by Raja Ravivarma may be compared to Sri Rama Saraswati Sevitam, a vibrant kriti by Dikshitar in the Raga Nasamani. This kriti is dedicated to Lalita, whom I have tried interpreting through the painting Saraswati on the auspicious occasion of Saraswati Puja. Lalita, meaning charming, graceful and elegant, is depicted in this picture, where she is not only viewed as a goddess but also as a simple, beautiful young woman. Her sight is captivating yet kind and humane. Dikshitar in this Kriti says, Tara Sadrisha Nasamani Virajitam, meaning the one who is adorned by a pearl nose ring which shines as bright as a star.